We, the members of the Polk County Sheriff's Office, are committed to excellence in providing law enforcement, detention, and public safety services. In partnership with our community, we will serve with integrity, compassion, accountability, and professionalism.
January 10, 2024. Frost-proof JV basketball coach arrested for inappropriate relationship with student. Polk County Sheriff's Office Special Victims Unit detectives have arrested and charged 20-year-old Skyla Reddy of Fort Meade, who is a frost-proof middle senior high school JV basketball coach, with 4 felonies related to his illegal and inappropriate relationship with a 17-year-old student at the school. The victim disclosed that she and Reddy dated when they were both students at the school. She is still a student there. After Reddy began working at the school, he sent her sexually explicit messages, including a threat to kill her if she slept with anyone else. Reddy has been charged with sex offense on student by authority figure, F2. Written threat to kill, F2. Transmission of material harmful to a minor, F3. Use of two-way communication device in commission of a felony, F3. Lewd battery, F2. There is no excuse for this guy using his position of authority over a student sexually. This is completely unacceptable. We applaud Polk County Public Schools taking swift action regarding this coach. We discovered this inappropriate relationship because somebody became aware of it and contacted us. It is more important than ever that if you see or hear something, say something. Grady Judd, Sheriff. From Polk County Public Schools. Skyla Reddy has been the JV boys basketball coach at Frost-proof Middle Senior High School since the 2022-23 season. He passed a background check before serving as a community coach, and will no longer have any involvement with Polk County Public Schools. From Superintendent Fred Hyde. This individual's actions show an alarming lack of judgment as a coach working with student athletes. This behavior is not tolerated in our schools. We appreciate the Polk County Sheriff's Office for investigating this matter and protecting our students. Fred Hyde. January 10, 2024. Wyoming Youth Church leader arrested on Polk warrant for lewd molestation of Polk County girl who was victimized when he visited Florida. A 69-year-old Wyoming man who is a worship and church youth group leader has been charged by the Polk County Sheriff's Office with lewd molestation, a first-degree felony. The Riverton Police Department took Richard Shaw, DOB October 3, 1954, into custody for the Polk County warrant and booked him into the Fremont County Jail. In December 2023, Shaw visited Lakeland, FL. And when he returned back to Wyoming, the Polk County victim disclosed to her mother that Shaw had inappropriately touched her underneath and over the top of her clothing while he was there. The mother called and spoke to Shaw, who admitted to touching the child, who is younger than 12 years old. Shaw is a worship leader at Under Command Ministries in Fremont County, WY, and works in the youth ministry area as well. PCSO detectives notified the Fremont County Sheriff's Office, who will conduct their own investigation to determine if Shaw has victimized any children there with whom he is in contact. PCSO detectives learned that Shaw works at or is affiliated with other churches in the area, and further investigation by Wyoming authorities is ongoing. PCSO detectives interviewed Shaw, who told them he has an addiction to pornography and that when he touched the Lakeland victim, he gave in to temptation. He was placed under arrest in Wyoming on January 4, 2024, and will be extradited to Polk County at a later date. We are working with Wyoming law enforcement to determine if this suspect victimized any other children there. We sincerely hope not. This man should never be allowed to have access to children again. Grady Judd, Sheriff.
Equality before the law, also known as equality under the law, Equality in the eyes of the law, legal equality, or legal egalitarianism, is the principle that all people must be equally protected by the law. The rule of law is a political ideal that all citizens and institutions within a country, state, or community are accountable to the same laws, including lawmakers and leaders. It is sometimes stated simply as no one is above the law.